For all updates on CAT Prep, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.
So it had mix of easy questions, moderate questions, right? Couple of questions might be very, very difficult. So anyway, we have to leave those questions in the test scenario, right? So before we start the strategy for this particular test, let us recap the strategy which I discussed in the last session, right? Because many of you might be new for this session, or this is the first session for them as far as the strategy is concerned. So let me recap the things, right? So our strategy is very, very simple, and the reason is that we have only 40 minutes with us. So not much can be done in these 40 minutes. If we want to apply a very complicated strategy, then it will fail always, right? Because the time is less. So we have to apply a very simple logic, and that is our aim should be to solve the easy questions, right? We have to only solve the easy questions, right, guys? And for that, before we solve, definitely we have to search for it, right? And there are 26 questions. So it is very, very important that you should reach from question number 1 to question number 26. This is a must have, right? In any test, it should not happen that you didn't manage to reach to the last question, right? Because at times it happens that the last 2 or 3 questions were very sitters. So obviously you'll be losing marks on that. Yeah, that will happen. I'll come on to that, right? आपको लगेगा कि बहुत क्वेश्चन बन सकते हैं, but because of the time we could not solve all the question which you have selected. That's true, and it is true for all the people, right? Because that's why I said the time is very, very less. So we have to use it appropriately, and at the same time we have to solve the easy questions. And to solve the easy question, before that we have to search for it, right? So what we will be doing is that our strategy would be to run through all the questions, right? But we can't just read the questions one after another without doing anything. So what we'll keep in mind that whenever I come across any questions which involve a simple concept or can be done by some trick, or it is quite obvious, or it can be worked from the options, anything which you feel that it will take very less time should be solved there itself. So in that, what will happen is that your objective of going from question number 1 to 26 in search of easy question is also going, and parallelly you're also solving some of the questions, so that you should not get get pressure that so much of time has left, say 10 minutes, 15 minutes is gone and you haven't done anything, right? That should not happen, because psychologically you should be in a state of mind wherein you should solve solve some of the questions, so that it will motivate you to go to the next question with higher concentration level, right? So, and the second thing is that what is the, many people ask me, sir, kitne question banana chahiye, right? See, there are 26 questions. For example, if there are 26 questions, I don't know what is the toughness level of the set, right? I will come to know about the toughness level only at the end, or maybe a few 5-10 minutes before the test overs. Then only I can say conclusively whether the test was moderate, easy, or difficult, etc. Since we don't have any idea about the toughness level, once we start, we don't have any idea about the toughness level. So it is quite difficult to make any kind of assessment regarding the number of questions. So we should not be very, very fussy about the number of questions, right? If somebody says that out of 26, you have to solve 22 questions to get 99 percentile, he or she is saying based on the previous experience or the previous CAT. But in the coming CAT, it could be like 22 questions were too easy. You have to solve 25 questions, or if the set is very, very difficult, then even solving 15 questions will fetch you that percentile. Because remember, you have to fight with the people who are writing the test rather than the test itself, right? So percentage doesn't matter. The relative position will matter. Percentile itself means the relative position. So don't make any fixed target as such, but yes, somewhere around 50% of the questions should be attempted. Somewhere around 50% of the question. Depending upon the toughness level, it may increase slightly or it may decrease. So agar easy hai, to definitely it will increase, and agar tough hai, to definitely it will decrease. This is the minimum I am saying, right? Maximum anyway, as per your caliber, you will be doing it, right? Those who can do it, they will be solving maybe 70-80% of the question also, that's a different thing. But to get a good percentile, definitely you should be targeting 50%. It's true for the LRDA section also. In coming Sunday, I'll be taking the LRDA mock strategy, so उसमें मैं discuss करूँगा. But in quant, 50% is the question which you should be targeting, right? And we should always keep in mind that we have to leave any question which is lengthy, tough, or not from your area, right? अगर ऐसा है तो definitely उसको छोड़. Because anyway, if I have to target 50%, that means I have to target how many questions, guys? I have to target 13 questions, right? So I have all the liberty and luxury to leave the balance 50% of the questions. So don't be in a situation wherein you are unnecessarily trying to solve these kind of questions. Just leave it straight away, because the time which we have is very, very less. So only easy questions would be solved, and within the easy question, whatever may be the number of easy question, if you selected, suppose somebody said that if he selected 18 questions, but he could not manage to solve all 18 questions, it will happen with all the people, right? So the number of questions which you selected, 80% of the questions should be solved, right? Even if you can manage this much, your job is done. So the portion, how many questions you have selected, if you can increase it, and how you would be increasing it? By practicing more and more concept, right? Making your strategy robust enough so that you do not get deviated with the strategy. ठीक है? And थोड़ा बहुत वहाँ पे manipulation जो भी लगता है questions को write, working from the options or just putting some values and all. इस सब तरीके से you can just manage to gain certain points by solving couple of questions more. ठीक है? And that's how you manage. Right, guys? Fine. So just a second. Huh? Okay. So shall we start with the first question? Now tell me whether it is an easy question or tough question or moderate. Should we select to solve it or should we ignore it? We should definitely solve it. Why so? Because the equation is simple. देखो reason बता रहा हूँ क्यों select करने का. The equation is simple, right? The length of the interval given is 10. That means the value of x would range, whatever be maximum or minimum, it would be 10, and we need to find the value of b minus a. Simple equation है, right? We can write here a minus 3 by 2 is greater than equal to x and b minus 3 by 2. Yes or no? So the difference of these two is equal to 10. So if I take the difference, can I say b minus a by 2 is equal to 10? So the value of b minus a would be 20. Option 1 is the right answer. इतना करना आपको, right? स्कूल वाला मेथड मत करना कि पूरा क्वेश्चन को उतार रहे हैं ऐसा, ठीक है? यू आर वेस्टिंग टाइम एंड अगेन 3 से माइनस कर रहे हैं. ये स्टेप्स हम अवॉइड कर सकते हैं. Yes or no? We can directly take these two steps and straight away write this. So thereby we'll be saving some time. Right? If you're not comfortable, then definitely do this, because at the end you have to get the right answer, right? So even by spending some more time, if you can ensure the right answer, then do this. But if you're comfortable, then unnecessary writing of the things should be ignored. ठीक है? ये सब छोटी-छोटी चीजें, but they add up to give you an edge, because out of 40 minutes, if you save 5 minutes like this, then definitely you can attempt few more questions. ठीक है guys? So this should be selected. Let us move to the next question. ठीक है? देखो अपना 50% target है, right? 50% of the question अपना target है. So first question हो गया. Somebody please note down the questions, है ना? Second question, should it be solved? फटाफट बताओ. Should we select it to solve? It depends, right? It depends upon the from student to student. If he's very comfortable with maximum minima kind of thing, and that too from the geometry, he or she may select it. But if I'm considering that I'm somebody who is not very much comfortable, then definitely I'll leave it. Although the question is not very difficult, but still in the first scan, I should only take those kind of questions in which I'm comfortable, right? So I'm just taking a case that I'll leave this question. ठीक है? So next question में move करते हैं. What about this? Just by visual inspection, can I say it's a question on work and time? Yes or no? Right? So we can mark this question. Abhi solve nahi karna hai, right? Because we know that they will demand certain time, maybe a minute or two. So we'll mark this question. That question number 3 would be marked and we'll solve it later, right? So let's move to the next question then. What about this? I think we can solve it here itself. Yes or no? Total cost निकाल लेना है, फिर 25% जोड़ देना उसमें, फिर जो पूछ रहा निकालना है, right? Even we can take the help of the explanation here. We can see. Yes, यहाँ पर भी देखो वही किया हुआ है. We have taken all the cost and then we have added 25% of it. और जो भी difference निकालना है, right? So we can select this question also. Yes or no, guys? ठीक है? फिर next question पे आते हैं. इसको मैं हटा देता हूँ. What about this? Which topic is from? इतना पढ़ना पड़ेगा ना. देखो, this is a puzzle kind of thing. Yes or no? So solving a puzzle definitely demands a lot of time. Although the options are given, but still it will take some time. Why should I waste my time in it? Why should I waste my time? So I should ignore it immediately. हो सकता है easy हो. देखो, इस पे मत जाओ कि सर easy होगा. वो हमें बाद में पता चलेगा ना. वो तो retrospectively पता चल रहा है. But at that point, we have to take a decision based on what I know. Right now, this question sounds alien to me in the first impression, and definitely, even if I read, it's based on some puzzle. Only one question based on puzzle. Why should I solve? Because it will always demand some time. So straight away इसको मैं छोड़ दूंगा, कुछ दिमाग नहीं लगाऊंगा, right? So let's move to the next. Sorry, ये बार-बार करना पड़ेगा. What about this? अब just compare करो. Compare question number 6 with question number 5. Those people who would have gone for solving this particular question must have wasted their time and their peace of mind also. तो उनके question number 6 भी फिर हो सकता है difficult लगे. बहुत ही simple है. क्या बोल रहा है? 2000 rupees के लिए X% लग रहा है and rest amount के लिए Y% लग रहा है. ठीक है? For 4,000 rupees is earning 700 and for 5,000 is earning 900. We have to find what is X%. I think very, very simple. Yes or no? We have to make two equations. What kind of equation it would be? 2,000 into X% plus for this amount we are taking again for 2,000 into Y% is giving me 700. Next equation would be 2,000 of X% plus 3,000 of Y% is equal to 900. Yes or no? Difference ले लो. Y की value आ जाएगी. Put it here to get the value of X. Right? Even if you do slightly, if you can just ignore some of the intermediate steps, आप ये definitely इसको हटा के लिख सकते हो ना. सीधा लिखोगे ना. 20x plus 20y is equal to 700. फिर 2 हटा दो. 0 हटा दो. Sorry. You'll be framing two equations, solve it and get it. Within a minute it can be solved. Right? So we'll mark it that we'll solve it. Right, guys? ठीक है. Next, what about this? What about this, guys? Any idea? Leave. Simple. नहीं समझ में आ रहा ना कुछ भी, छोड़ो. आप वहां पे R&D मत करो. ठीक है? In a test, don't do any kind of R&D. कि वहां पे आप कुछ derive करके निकाल लोगे. इतना टाइम नहीं है. And nobody is expecting that thing from you, right? So don't do any kind of R&D there. In test, we are there to perform, not to do any R&D. What about this? Question number 8. I think it can be solved. The only thing is that it might require some kind of calculation. Right? So we'll mark it, we'll move. देखो अभी हम solve नहीं कर रहे हैं, right? Any question which I believe that I can solve, but required some time, I'm marking the question. I'm not solving it there itself. Unless the question itself is so easy that वहीं के वहीं उसको निपटा सकता हूँ. ठीक है? Let's move to the next. What about this? Now I prefer such question. It's my personal preference. Why so? The reason is that this equation in such equation, I always told you in the theory classes also that the constant term is the most important. Okay? And it says that the roots are in geometric progression. So if there are three roots, and if I want to take three roots in geometric progression, can I say there will be A, R, A and R? Sorry, AR, right? So the product of the roots would be equal to 27. So can I say A cube is equal to 27? Yes or no? So what is the value of A? 3. Yes or no, guys? देख लो, plus 27 आएगा कि minus? Plus minus plus minus, minus आएगा, right? This will be minus. So this is minus. A is equal to minus of 3. Right? ठीक है. Now the value of R we can take such that we should get the sum of the number to be 7. थोड़ा सा इट एंड ट्रायल करता हूं. फॉर एग्जांपल इफ आई स्टार्ट विथ 1 -3 and 9, तो ये फिट हो रहा है. थोड़ा सा भी बेसिक है अगर ज्योमेट्रिक प्रोग्रेशन का, सो यू विल easily can come up with this number. Is it satisfying the other condition, that is the sum of the roots is 7? Yes or no? Right? So I'll be marking option 2. I'm taking a risk here, guys. ठीक है, एक छोटा सा रिस्क है. I'm not taking all the cases and all those things, etc. But since I'm getting this, there is least chances that three numbers, one out of it is -3 and the other two be fraction, wherein the sum would give me 7 and the product would give me -27. ठीक है, so I'm just taking a bit of risk. So if I'm willing to take a risk in one of two questions, then definitely I'll go for it. Else I'll leave this question. ठीक है, तो ये question definitely for me I'll be solving it. I'm not recommending that आप भी करो इसको. ठीक है. What about this? What we need to find? We need to find similar triangles. Yes or no? In triangle BEC, in this triangle, can I say this angle would be equal to this angle because of this arc? Right? And this angle would be equal to this angle because of this arc. So can I say these two triangles will be similar? So can I say option 2 is the right answer? ठीक है? You can solve it like this. And if you remember my similar triangles question, then मैंने बोला था ना कि in a circle, if you make any cross, then these opposite triangles are similar. तो ये अगर करेंगे तो ये दोनों similar हो जाएंगे. तो अगर आपको ये मालूम है तो ये सब भी करने की जरूरत नहीं, स्ट्रेट अवे इन दोनों ये दोनों सिमिलर होंगे अल्टीमेटली. तो ऑप्शन 2 इज द राइट आंसर. देखो कितना सिंपल है. व्हाई आई एम सॉल्विंग इट हियर? बिकॉज़ रिक्वायर्ड जस्ट सिंपल कंसेप्ट. कंसेप्ट भी नहीं है, अल्टीमेटली जस्ट एंड रिजल्ट है. ठीक है, देन विल मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. व्हाट अबाउट दिस? वी कैन सॉल्व बाय यूजिंग ऑप्शंस, राइट? सो विल मार्क इट. यस और नो? Nothing complicated because simple interest is given. Simple interest के question कभी complicated नहीं होते, right? Only when compound interest comes, then only it is complicated. ठीक है, so we'll mark it. Next, question number 12. What about this? Can I say very, I would say very basic kind of question. Such question you must have solved in the level 1 from time, speed and distance. Yes or no? इसको हम क्यों skip करेंगे? We will be solving it. May not be right now, but we'll mark it. Right? Then question number 13. What about this? It's again doable. In all such questions, if you have gone through the practice problems, then you'll find that the value of x for which these things gives the solution is when these two values are equated. Simple है, इन दोनों को equate करो. So if you equate it, can I say 3 वाला इधर जाएगा, so it will be half of 8/4 times of एक्स स्क्वायर होगा, सो दिस इज 2, यहाँ पे चला जाएगा 2, तो ये 2 into 2 4 हो गया, राइट? सॉरी, दिस इज 2 into 2 4, so the value of x would be plus minus 1/2, but don't mark option number 2. Here we the value of x is not asked, right? Here we have to find the minimum or maximum, so take the value of x to be 1 or minus 1, whatever, just put it here. यहाँ पे पुट अप कर दो, आपका आंसर हो जाएगा सीधा सीधा. तो 1/2 का होल स्क्वायर इज 1/4, so 5/16 ऑप्शन 4 इज द राइट आंसर. कितना टाइम लगेगा इसको? I think within a minute you can solve it, provided you know how to solve. ठीक है, let's move. एक सेकंड का इसमें. क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 हो गया. Then 14. What about this? Leave. कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. Sorry. Make practice working with this. What about this? We can solve it, right? We can mark. Doable है. ठीक है ना? Let's move to the next. What about this? Again doable, yes or no? Because if this goes at this on the RHS, how much it would be? Simple है ना? If I take this thing to RHS, so 1 upon this, so it will be log of 5 and something something etc. is equal to log of 7 with base 5. So we can straight away eliminate log. So this expression is equal to 7. So can I say x square minus 8x will be equal to 0? So the value of x would be either 0 or 8, right? Yes or no? But here it says that x is a positive integer, so we'll ignore 0. So the only option is 8. Not the option, but the answer is 8. Right, guys? ठीक है. Next, question number 17. Move करते हैं. यहाँ पे कहीं कोई बटन नहीं है. Now this question is up to you. ठीक है, आपको लग रहा है कि बहुत लंबा है, पढ़ने में दिक्कत जा रही है, you can leave it or you can solve it. So it's up to you. ठीक है, तो मैं आगे बढ़ जा रहा हूँ इसको. ठीक है. What about this? Now such question is a tempting question, because if you have a simple idea about arithmetic progression, then this statement is nothing difficult, right? So you may give some time, but later on if you realize that you have given 2 minutes, अभी तो नहीं करना है solve, but मान लो mark करते हो, आप solve करने आते हो, and if you have given 2 minutes and you have you didn't get the answer, straight away leave it and move. Straight away leave it and move. ठीक है, और ज्यादा टाइम देके नेगेटिव मार्क आ जाएंगे. Otherwise what happen is that many time such questions people start solving, right? They feel like they will get an answer. 2 मिनट हो जाता है, आंसर नहीं आता. Then again they feel that let us give a minute more. 3 मिनट हो जाते हैं, अगेन आंसर नहीं आता, राइट? और ये 3 मिनट का कब 5 मिनट या 6 मिनट हो जाएगा, इट विल नॉट बी रियलाइज. वो बहुत बाद में वो रेट्रोस्पेक्टिवली रियलाइज होगा जब आप एनालिसिस के लिए बैठेंगे. And this question will give you a lot of frustration. Even if you leave after 6 or 7 minutes and move to the next question, half of your mind will bother about this question कि उसको कैसे solve करें. So such questions have double disadvantage. Not only they you do not get the solution of it, it also give some, or it also take some space in your mind when you move to the next question, because you didn't solve it. And that is the reason I always recommend immediately आप तो बस बहाने निकालो कि क्वेश्चन को क्यों नहीं सॉल्व करना. Any valid reason of not solving the question is a good strategy. Right, guys? Because always remember, we have to take the easy questions. If you feel like this is not an easy, but still you can attempt it, give a second thought and leave the question. Don't even mark it, leave the question. ठीक है, लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट. 18 हो गया. वी आर जस्ट लेफ्ट विथ फ्यू मोर. व्हाट अबाउट दिस क्वेश्चन गाइस? हम ऐसे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे ना. व्हाई वुड बॉदर अबाउट सॉल्विंग सच क्वेश्चन जिसमें बहुत दिमाग लगाना हो? These question only required some kind of calculation and we get the answers. Yes or no? So we'll mark it or we can solve it here itself depending upon you. जैसा भी आपको लग रहा हो. ठीक है, let's move to the next. What about this? A simple question from time and work. Many varieties of similar kind we have already solved. Yes or no guys? Right? तो हम ऐसे क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करेंगे ना which only demands mechanical work. What is the mechanical work? Either framing an equation and solving it to get the answer, or some calculation or some application of formula, putting the values and get the answer. सिर्फ यही करना होता है maximum of the time. आपको यही करना है. And for that you have to select such questions, right? What about this? You can mark it. हो सकता है ना बने. ठीक है. So I'm not counting this. What about this? अब ये क्वेश्चन कोई छोड़ेगा क्या? Such questions are account opening questions. ये खाता खोलने वाले क्वेश्चंस होते हैं. आप स्कैन करते हो ऐसे क्वेश्चन आते हैं ना, तुरंत यहाँ से खाता खुल जाता है. ऑप्शंस भी दिया हुआ है, यू कैन वर्क फ्रॉम द ऑप्शंस आल्सो. आई डोंट नीड टू टेल कि ये कैसे सॉल्व होगा, राइट? चलिए नेक्स्ट. व्हाट अबाउट दिस? अगेन ऑप्शंस आर गिवन. So somebody who is not comfortable with framing an equation can work from the option. Otherwise the equation is very simple. If you read the question, ये बोल रहा है ना, if there are 300 seats, full होता है, so ticket is what? 60. For every 5 rupees increase in a ticket, the number of tickets sold goes down by 10. And we have to find the maximum revenue. So the revenue would be what? Suppose there are the number of people x times हमने increase कर दिया suppose fees को, right? So it will be what? 60 plus 5 of x, right? Yes or no? So the number of people will reduce by what? 300 minus 10 of x. I think यही बनेगा ultimately. Am I clear guys? Everyone? ठीक है ना, इसको मैक्सिमाइज करना. What you can do is that you can multiply it with 2 and divide it by 2, so that this become 10 of x. So ये कितना हो जाएगा? 120 plus 10 of x and 300 minus 10 of x. Yes or no? आप देखो, if this is one term, this is the second term. Can I say the sum is constant? If this is x, capital X, and this is capital Y, can I say x plus y is constant? So their product will be maximum when both are equal. So equate these two. So on equating we'll be getting what? 20 of x is what? ये इधर चला जाएगा, इसको यहाँ पे भेज देते हैं. So it will be what? 180, right? So the value of x is what? 9. x की वैल्यू 9 सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दो यहाँ पे, आपका आंसर आ जाएगा. और यू कैन वर्क फ्रॉम द ऑप्शंस कि भाई 195 के लिए क्या चाहिए होगा x की वैल्यू, 100 के लिए क्या होगा, 105 के लिए क्या होगा, व्हाटएवर. बट यू कैन वर्क लाइक दिस. ठीक है. सो आई एम नॉट टेकिंग दिस क्वेश्चन इनटू कंसीडरेशन बिकॉज हो सकता है आप में से काफी लोग मैक्सिमम मिनिमम में इतने कंफर्टेबल ना हो. बट आई एम जस्ट गिविंग अ हिंट दैट इफ यू आर स्लाइटली good at algebra, then you can solve such question quite easily. ठीक है. Anyway, let's not count it, है ना? Let's move to the next. What about this? रेशियो एंड प्रोपोर्शन का है ना, बहुत ही इजी है. Let's move to the next. What about this? I think straight away cat-like question है. You can mark it. What about this? इट्स अप टू यू, ठीक है, बट आई डोंट सॉल्व सच क्वेश्चन इन एक्चुअल एग्जाम, बिकॉज वो क्या होगा, मुझे वो फिर वो गोले बनाने पड़ेंगे ना, वो बनाओ फिर नंबर डालो, unless it is an LRDA question, wherein by doing so I can solve 4 questions, then it makes sense, right? Otherwise, it's my opinion that I should leave it. If you are comfortable, you can do it. ठीक है? Now tell me how many questions we have selected or solved. How many questions we selected or solved? How many? 17? Yes or no? From out of these 17, even if you manage anything around 13, you'll be getting a good percentile. Because all those questions which you selected, some of the questions we have already solved it, right? So out of these 17, I'm assuming that 5 questions would have been solved in this particular round, right? So balance out of 12, even if you manage to solve 8 more questions, your job is done. कुछ नहीं करना है, कोई मतलब नहीं है इससे पेपर से. Only this thing you have to apply, and this is the feasible thing. Why am I advocating this? Because this is the only feasible thing which you can do in the given time. ठीक है? So let me discuss something about what kind of mistakes you people make. What kind of mistakes you people make? ठीक है, अलग अलग लोग अलग अलग तरीके से mistakes करते हैं, ठीक है, तो मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ mistakes क्या होते हैं. The very first mistake is that you keep a high expectation that out of 26 will be solving 20 questions. ये सबसे पहला mistake है. Without actually going through the question, how do I know that 20 question I will be managed to solve? My aspiration, if it doesn't matches or I'm not close to my aspiration, it will be a demotivating for me. कल ही बताया था, for example, you selected that out of 26 question you have to solve 20 questions. For example, the very first 4 questions आपसे एक भी question नहीं बना. Then just reflect and see or think over it that what will be a state of mind. Now onwards, if you want to stick with this particular number, then every other question, in fact, now onwards, almost every question have to be solved. And that will create a lot of pressure. Then you will have no liberty to leave the question. And with that, definitely, जितना आप बना सकते थे ना 13 क्वेश्चन, वो भी नहीं बने. आप 8, 9, 10, 7 इस पे भी नहीं जाओगे. उसके बाद लास्ट के 5 मिनट बचेंगे ना, उसके बाद यू विल जस्ट प्ले विथ योर, फिर आप अपनी किस्मत से खेलोगे. ठीक है, चलो तुक्का मारोगे फिर आप. तो ये पहला मिस्टेक है, ये बिल्कुल अवॉइड करना है. सेकेंडली, मेनी ऑफ यू हु आर वेरी गुड इन क्वांट, ये उन लोगों के लिए उनके साथ ज्यादा होता है जो दोज पीपल हु आर गुड इन क्वांट. They feel like solving a tough question in exam gives a different kind of satisfaction or happiness or whatever. But you should be above these things because you are writing an exam. Even if you can solve a tough question, it will fetch you 1 mark. For example, कोई ऐसा क्वेश्चन होगा, कोई था ना ज्योमेट्री का जिसमें बहुत सारे एग्जाम आने लगे थे. ठीक है, आपको लगता है ज्योमेट्री आपकी फोर्टे है, आप सॉल्व करोगे, एवरी ज्योमेट्री क्वेश्चन यू विल बी सॉल्विंग, एंड सपोज दैट क्वेश्चंस eats 6 minutes of yours, and suppose you got it right also, but think about 6 or 7 minutes which you have invested in that question. So all those questions which you can solve need not necessarily be solved in the exam. You have to look for the time also. Should I solve it or not? ये बहुत लोग करते हैं जिनका मैथ्स अच्छा होता है. सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम यही होती है, वो टफ क्वेश्चन बनाने में लग जाते हैं. उतना टाइम नहीं है, आपका परसेंटाइल अच्छा नहीं आएगा. टफ क्वेश्चन बनाने से परसेंटाइल नहीं आएगा. द गुड परसेंटाइल कम्स व्हेन यू सॉल्व इजी क्वेश्चंस, एंड इफ यू कैन सॉल्व ऑल द इजी क्वेश्चन, आपका आएगा 99.9 फॉर श्योर. अरे 1-2 परसेंटाइल कम हो जाएगा पॉइंट में, और क्या. जस्ट टू मैनेज somewhere 99.99 something, you are taking a huge risk. ठीक है, तो मैं एक छोटा सा कहानी सुनाता हूं एट द एंड. जस्ट रिमेंबर दिस, दैट इज द समरी ऑफ व्हाटएवर आई हैव डिस्कस्ड. ठीक है, So the story is very simple story that we are writing a CAT exam which is for MBA, right? There is another exam called NDA. उसमें भी exam होता है anyway. The purpose of NDA is different. Those people who write NDA would become a soldier or an officer, something kind of like this, right? So bravery is expected from them. You are going into a business environment. वहाँ पे bravery नहीं चलती, right? You have to be cautious, very much cautious. Business is run by being cautious. It is not run by being just brave. At times you have to show bravery, but that is not the core thing. The core thing is being cautious. ठीक है? So that is what get tested in these kind of tests. So आपको test कैसे लेना है? Let me simulate it for you. Say you want to go into a forest for a hunting, right? For a fun, right? You are not a good hunter, but you want to go for a hunting. Many of us, what we feel is that once we have a gun in our hand, then we went to the forest and we want to kill lion. मतलब हाथ में बंदूक आ गई है तो बस शेर मारना. What is lion here? You have to solve tough of the toughest question so that after the exam I can boast that I have solved this question. ऐसे होता ना, कई लोग पूछते हैं कि तूने बनाया था क्वेश्चन क्या, तुमने बनाया था क्या क्वेश्चन था. बहुत सारे लोग मिलेंगे. Some people say कि भाई मैंने बनाया था, बाद में पता चलेगा वो गलत बनाया था. ठीक है? So don't have to kill lion. आप कर दे क्या, आप टफ क्वेश्चन में पढ़ गए. ठीक है? तो आप फॉरेस्ट में गए, आपको लॉयन दिखा, तो स्टार्टेड पॉइंटिंग इन द लॉयन. ठीक है? आपने एक गोली चलाई. ठीक है? यू फायर्ड, नहीं लगा उसको, राइट? Then rather than leaving that lion and moving ahead, what you do is that you approach close to the lion and start firing again. So when you are approaching, you are increasing your risk. Yes or no? Because lion can hit back. राइट? फिर भी नहीं लगेगा, फिर आप बहुत गुस्से में आओगे, घर से जाओगे, फिर से एक गोली लेके आओगे, फिर मारोगे. तो आपका फॉरेस्ट जाने का जो पर्पस था ना वो गया. अब आपको लायन को ढूंढ के मारना है. इसकी क्या एनालॉजी है कि क्वेश्चन आया, यू लाइक द क्वेश्चन, यू वांट टू सॉल्व इट, यू वांट टू गेट द आंसर, यू स्टार्टेड सॉल्विंग इट, इट डिडंट गेट द आंसर, you didn't get the answer, so you got frustrated. Rather than leaving the question, you again gave so much of time. Here the bullets means time, something like that, right? And more you are involved with that particular question, you are increasing your risk. ठीक है? जबकि हमको फॉरेस्ट में जाके क्या करना था, या टू जस्ट hit some birds, ठीक है, rabbits, some easy targets which will not hit back or will not be a risk for you. Just enjoy and come back. That's what you have to do. ठीक है? तो टाइगर किलर नहीं बनना आपने. You don't have to be tiger killer. जैसी लायन दिखा, टाइगर दिखा, तुरंत मोड़ लो गाड़ी, कहीं और निकल जाओ. Keep this in mind. हाँ, एनालिसिस कैसे करते हैं मैं बाद में एक अलग सेशन लूंगा, सारा चीज एक साथ मिक्सअप हो जाएगा. अभी वी आर डिस्कसिंग हाउ टू अप्रोच फॉर मॉक्स, व्हाट शुड बी द स्ट्रेटजी. फिर एनालिसिस का अलग से सब्जेक्ट सेशन लूंगा, उसमें आपको बताऊंगा कि भाई एनालिसिस आप वाकई में कैसे करते हैं, सो दैट कि नेक्स्ट टाइम यू आर बेटर प्रिपेयर, सो नॉट मेकिंग द सेम मिस्टेक एंड यू शुड डू व्हाटएवर चेंजेस इन द स्ट्रेटजी. जो वर्केबल चेंजेस होंगे वो क्या होंगे, दैट आई विल डिस्कस इन द नेक्स्ट. ठीक है? सो हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू स्कोर्ड 13 into 3 which is 39 मार्क्स? कितने लोगों का 39 मार्क्स आया इसमें? हाँ, लाइव मॉक भी लूंगा मैं, बट मैं अपना मॉक नहीं लूंगा, श्योर कर लूंगा. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू स्कोर्ड 39 मार्क्स? चलो प्राइवेट मैसेज में बता दो. one person is saying 31. ओके, okay. 24. Then 27. No one. अब आप देखो कि मैंने इसका आधा बोला था ना, 50%. सॉरी 50%। कितने इजी क्वेश्चन हमने खोजे थे? 17, उसमें से भी कितने बनाने थे? 13, इतने मार्क्स आ जाते ना। बट हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू गॉट इट? So what was the mistake that you have to identify, that why you could not solve 13 questions correctly? Are there less number of easy questions? Of course not. Almost मेरे ख्याल से most of the questions were easy. It was very much similar to what CAT should be. And you all people can solve it ना. ऐसा नहीं है कि out of these 17 close से 10 भी नहीं बनेगा, ऐसा नहीं है. Most of you could solve somewhere around 15, 13 questions from this particular set, but still you didn't manage. Why so? Because आपने strategy ठीक से नहीं अप्लाई की, या फिर आप गलत क्वेश्चन में फंस गए, या जब आप फंस गए तो आपने छोड़ा नहीं उसको. इसी के एनालिसिस में आप जाके देख लीजिए. In the column wherein you have given the time limit, most of the question which you got it wrong, you would have given the maximum time on it. The question in which you gave the maximum time, most of the questions were wrong. And that's where we have to improve. ठीक है गाइस, क्लियर है ये? तो आप इसको अप्लाई करो और इसी को फाइन ट्यून करो. ठीक है, आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि एग्जैक्टली स्ट्रिक्टली इसी तरीके से फॉलो करो, बट द डायरेक्शन शुड बी इन दैट वे. माइनर एडजस्टमेंट एक्सेट्रा. सॉरी दीक्षा, यू वांट टू से समथिंग? हाँ वही बोलो ना. आप देखो एसएट वाले क्वेश्चन में somebody is saying that 6 मिनट वेस्ट हुआ. तो ये थोड़े एक्सपीरियंस से आ जाएगा, राइट? व्हेन यू स्टार्ट राइटिंग द मॉक्स एंड डू द एनालिसिस, तो आपको थोड़ा सा एक्सपीरियंस हो जाएगा. नॉट ऑल क्वेश्चन व्हिच यू कैन सॉल्व हैज टू बी सॉल्व्ड इन द कैट और इन द एग्जाम. हर वो क्वेश्चन जो आप सॉल्व कर सकते हो जरूरी नहीं कि सॉल्व करना है. यू हैव टू टेक द नेक्स्ट डिसीजन वेदर यू शुड सॉल्व इट देयर और नॉट, हाउ मच टाइम इट डिमांड्स. And then you have to take the next action, else leave it. Any other queries guys? चलो, so that's the end of the session. Next जो analysis कैसे करते हैं वो काफी important चीज है, because that will help you to improve on a strategy and that will build confidence in the strategy, right? कि कैसे उसको करेंगे. So वो next week में will plan that particular session. ठीक है? So in meanwhile, what you can do is that you can take some couple of more sectional tests so that at least apply करके देखो strategy. So whatever practical problems you are getting, note it down so that while doing the analysis session, we can discuss on that. ठीक है? चलो, good night. We'll meet again.